If you're starting from zero, building credit can feel confusing, but it doesn't have to be. Good credit opens doors to apartments, car loans, lower interest rates, and even job opportunities. The sooner you start, the faster you'll reach financial freedom. In this video, I'll show you how to build credit quickly and safely, even if you have no credit history at all. We'll cover secured credit cards, credit builder loans, and smart habits that actually work. Best of all, you can start with as little as $50. I've added some helpful tools and links in the description, so stick around till the end. 1. Why credit matters. Credit is more than just a number. It affects your ability to rent an apartment, buy a car, or even land a job. A good credit score means you're trusted to pay back money, so lenders give you better deals. But if you're starting from zero, don't worry. It's possible to build it quickly and safely. The key is using the right tools and being consistent. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to build your credit from the ground up using simple strategies like secured cards and credit builder loans. Even if you've never had credit before, you can follow these tips and start seeing results in just a few months. 2. Start with a secured card. A secured credit card is perfect for beginners. You pay a deposit, usually around $200, and that becomes your credit limit. Then, you use the card for small purchases like gas or groceries, and pay it off in full each month. This shows lenders that you're responsible. Over time, your activity is reported to the credit bureaus, which helps build your credit score. Just make sure to never max out the card or miss a payment. After 6 to 12 months of good behavior, you can often upgrade to a regular credit card. It's a safe and easy first step if you're starting with no credit at all. 3. Use a credit builder loan. Credit builder loans are designed to help you build credit from scratch. Here's how they work. You take out a small loan, maybe $300 to $1,000, but you don't get the money right away. Instead, it's held in a bank account while you make monthly payments. Once the loan is paid off, you get the money. Meanwhile, your payments are reported to credit bureaus, helping your score. These loans are low risk and often available at credit unions or online banks. They also help you develop good money habits since you're learning how to handle monthly payments. It's another great option if you want to boost your credit fast. 4. Become an authorized user. If a family member or close friend has good credit, ask if they'll add you as an authorized user on one of their credit cards. You don't have to use the card, they just need to list your name. When they make on-time payments, it shows up on your credit report, helping your score grow faster. This is a safe shortcut, especially if you're starting from zero. But make sure they use their card wisely. Late payments or high balances could hurt you too. Talk openly with the person and make sure they're financially responsible before becoming an authorized user. 5. Keep utilization low. Credit utilization means how much of your credit you're using. For example, if your card has a $500 limit and you spend $250, that's 50% utilization. But to build credit fast, you want to stay below 30%. Even better, if you keep it under 10%. High utilization makes you look risky to lenders. So don't max out your cards and try to pay them off early if you spend a lot. Some people even make multiple payments a month to keep balances low. It's a simple trick that can make a big difference in your score. 6. Always pay on time payment. History is the biggest part of your credit score, about 35% of it. That's why paying your bills on time is non-negotiable. Set reminders or auto-pay to make sure you never miss a due date. Even one late payment can hurt your score for months. This includes not just credit cards, but loans, utilities, and even phone bills if they're reported. If money is tight, at least make the minimum payment. Being consistent is more important than paying a lot. This simple habit builds trust with lenders and shows you're financially responsible, helping your score rise faster than anything else. 7. Track your progress. Once you start using credit tools, make sure to track your progress. You can use free apps like Credit Karma, Experian, or Mint to check your score, see changes, and monitor your report for errors. Some apps even give tips to boost your score faster. Tracking helps keep you motivated and alerts you if something goes wrong, like a missed payment or fraud. It's also a great way to celebrate milestones, like hitting a 650 or 700 credit score. Watching your progress makes the journey more rewarding and keeps you focused on smart credit habits. That's it. Those are the key steps to start building credit fast, even if you're starting from zero. Remember, good credit doesn't happen overnight, but it starts with small, consistent actions. A secured credit card, a credit builder loan, and on-time payments can make a huge difference over a few months. The earlier you start, the more financial doors will open. Better car loans, lower interest rates, and even rental or job approvals. Don't get overwhelmed. Just take the first step. I've linked a few beginner-friendly credit cards and credit-building tools below. Each one is handpicked to help you build responsibly. Some even offer rewards or cashback. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Drop a comment if you have questions. I read everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay consistent, and take control of your financial future.